Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to redact in Zendesk. All right. First up, let's go ahead and open a ticket. For example, this one right here. You're going to want to scroll through the conversation thread that contains the content you want to redact. For example, this one right here. All right. I have this line for redaction, just for example. So what we're going to do to redact, okay? Basically, you're going to want to click on the three dots right here and click on mark text for redaction. Just click on it and select the line. For example, this line is for redaction, okay? Once you have it selected, just go ahead and click on mark for redaction. As you can see here, it now has a red line. All right, do keep in mind that you can include multiple text strings, attachments, and images. For example, this one right here. I'm just going to click on it and mark for redaction. And also maybe the email. For example, this one right here, I'm going to mark it for redaction. If you have marked something right here for redaction and it is by mistake, just go ahead and click on it and then mark it for redaction. Okay, unmarked, as you can see. Now, once you're done with that, just go ahead and click on redact right here. Wait for it to load, and the ticket is now updated with the redacted content. Okay, as you can see here, attachment redacted as well. And do keep in mind that ticket redaction is not reversible. And as you can see here under tags, we have the redacted content tag. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.